globally leading solution provider of intelligent power distribution system. Intelligent manufacturing, precise measurement. A digital intelligence factory. Independent innovation to lead the industry. And the continuous pursuit of quality with zero defects. Using green technology to serve the electrical grid. AUX Electric, delivering brightness. Home Appliances, a home appliances group based on internet and intelligence. Using cutting-edge technology to achieve the integration of IT and industry. Our products are accurately measured and produced in rigorous testing guarantees product quality. Excellent design begins with innovation. AUX Home Appliances, enjoying intelligent and comfortable life. Medical Service, devoted to China's leading medical service investment and management group. AUX Medical Service is patient-oriented. Three prestigious medical resources, research institutes, hospitals, and physicians. Three interconnected types of service, walk-in hospitals, online hospitals, and medical insurance. AUX Medical Service, caring for growth. Real estate, China's leading multi-format and comprehensive real estate developer. AUX Real Estate, constructing dreams. Finance, developing by both industrial and financial capital. AUX Finance, win the future together. People are the essential source of developing. We are dedicated to creating excellent career environments for our outstanding employees. Great people, great company. AUX, intelligent and healthy living.